Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good
Hi,
evening,
good evening. One
Good
more.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening,
evening, ma'am.
everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good
Good
evening.
evening.
Let's get started.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, good evening. We have a test discussion pending. So let's start with the doubts. I'll be collecting the doubts for the first 5 minutes. So you all can send me a doubts. This is the test I'm talking about. If you have done this test, then you can tell me the doubts. If you do not have a doubt, then also tell that no doubts. And if you have a doubt or if you have not done the test due to any reason, then also please tell me now only so that I'll not trouble you later. Fine, everyone is in, not all. No doubts from Shrihan, okay. Say Aradhya. Oh, the chat is open. Oh, now. Okay, number 20 doubts. Yeah, Aradhya, say. Good evening, Hanika. Aradhya, your hand is raised.
Ma'am, I was not able to do the test because I was absent.
Okay, no problem. Aditi, 20 on 20, no doubts. Very good. Say Tanisha.
Ma'am, I have done the test, but I have not submitted the answers. I am submitting, so that's okay.
Okay, that's fine. Samriti Singh.
Mom, I went out for my auntie's birthday, so I couldn't do the test.
That's okay. Sanika has also not done the test. Riyanshi, say.
Ma'am, I was traveling to Meerut, so that's why I couldn't do my test.
Okay, no problem. Devashri, no doubts. Arnav, noted your doubts. Janvi, no doubts. Hello. Then we have Sadhna, no doubts. Okay, good. Manvik, doubt 8 to 15, 20. Okay, let me copy that. Then we have Samriddhi Srivastav, doubt number 20. Yash, no doubts. Okay, Hanifa, 8 and 18, not submitted the test. Okay. Mishika, 20. Yeah, I got it. So, 8 and 18. Just 18 adding here. 20 is already someone's doubt. 15 is already someone's doubt. 2 is already someone's doubt. So, basically, I've got these set of doubts which are new. More people, any doubts? Nanika? No doubts. Okay, good. Sanya? Forgot to do the test. Okay. Path 11, 15, 17, 20. Okay, 1 second. I think out of 15, 17, 11 is new. So this copy, paste, comma, 20 out, 17 stays, 15 out. Yeah, these are the doubts. Say Ibrahim.
I was not able to do because of spell bee exams.
Okay. Adya has also not done the test. Fine. Shivani 5, 15, 16, 20. 5 and 16 should be added here. 5 and 16. Okay. Taken. Noted. Vedant number 5. Okay. Riyanshi not done. Yes, Jia.
Couldn't do the test, so I was doing it right now, and I have a doubt in 5.
Jia, you can stop doing the
Ma'am?
test now because the class has started already. So we will not do it. I was just collecting the doubts till 8:05. So 1 more minute. It's okay. 5 number is what we'll be discussing.
Okay. Ma'am,
Shrihan. Yes. Who is this?
what are you sending?
Riyansh, I'm sending the question numbers which are doubts of others. They are sending me in personal chat. I am sending in the main chat so that I can see it in one glance. Okay, not
But
done
I
the
have no doubt.
question. Good. Number 8 and 15. 8 is noted number.
Ma'am,
Both the numbers are there.
ma'am,
Raise your hand and speak, Riyansh. Say what happened.
can I send my score?
Yeah. You send it in the chat. Okay, fine. So it's 8:05. So no doubts after this.
Good
The
evening,
people
ma'am.
you have joined late. Good evening, Bhumik. No doubts after this. So those
Ma'am,
who have doubts after this, you will be not discussing it with me today. Say Bhumik.
ma'am, did you have got my photo which
Yeah, I
I
think
sent?
so. I think there was something shared in the group. I'll just check it. Photo of what, but that is the doubt of what? Worksheet.
Yeah, no, mock test.
So why are you sending it there? That is a question number, right? Question number 2 and question number 7. So you could have written it over
Yes.
here also. Yeah. I need photos for the things I don't have. Say Tanisha.
Ma'am, I got 20 on 20, but 19 because I mistakenly put wrong answer of one question.
No, that is still counted as wrong answer only. You know, in the exam also you have OMR sheets, so you have to tick the right answer. So if that goes wrong, then and now you don't write it as 20 out of 17, you write it as 17 out of 20. You got 20. Huh? And out of 17 questions. How? Someone was being unfair. Okay, fine. I'm sharing my screen, everyone. Let's start with the test. Okay, so I have my collective doubts over here. We'll discuss them together. Number 7 to be added to this question list. Okay, done. So I'll start with question number 2. I would need your help in the questions, everyone. So be very, very active. I'll only wait for 30 seconds for you to answer. If you don't respond or you say, ma'am, sorry, I did not hear. Can you repeat? What is the question? All things like this. Then I'll go to the other person because there are many people and we have less doubts. That means in order to give everyone a chance, I'll have to go to multiple people. So question number 2 first. Let's start this question with Sanika. Sanika, can you just tell me how can I write it as a decimal fraction? Sanika, your mic is not working. Riyansh, no raising hand for answering questions. If you have a doubt, then you can raise your hand. Say, ask.
Ma'am, 10 seconds are done.
30 seconds, I said.
Oh.
And that is not a doubt. Okay, next time don't intervene. All right, Sanika, 30 seconds are done. You're not able to unmute? Oh, now try. Something wrong, Sanika. I'll send you to the waiting room and bring you back. Maybe that helps. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll go to Aditi. Aditi, can you please tell me how to write this in decimal fractions?
Ma'am, we should write this as 783 by 10.
Why 783 by 10? What about the 0? The 0 is not
Ma'am, the
important.
0 is not considered.
Correct. A 0 after the decimal place at the end is not important. So you can count it as this and therefore write it as 783 by 10 directly, which will be answer option C. Now you must think that, ma'am, what if I take the 30? Will the answer be wrong? So the answer will not be wrong. See how? 7830 divided by, since it's 2 zeros after the decimal, so 100. So if you take this as the answer, automatically you people are going to cancel 0 and 0, and that will ultimately give you the answer as 783 by 10, which is option D. I have ticked C. Done. I can hear someone. Manvik, yaar, mute yourself. What are people talking about in your background? I've muted you. Be careful about your mic. I can hear someone around you. Say Samriddhi Singh.
Mom, I didn't understand how you got 783 by 10.
I explained in both the ways, Samriddhi. A 0 after the decimal does not have any value. So it is 1 digit after the decimal, so 1 0 after 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Say Janvi.
Ma'am, so our Both the answers correct. C and D are correct.
No, no.
Okay.
He is not correct. It's a 783 with 100. I have
Oh.
written a 7830 with 100. So they are not the same.
Okay.
Say Jia.
Ma'am, so in a decimal, if suppose I'm asking you a question which is not related, meaning like you
Mm-hmm.
teached us, but it's not in this question. Is it okay?
Say.
So if suppose before the decimal point, if we put a zero, will it matter?
Like for example,
Like 330.57. So will it matter?
yeah,
Like,
this is a whole number, no? So it will matter. 3.57 and 30.57 is different.
okay.
Say Arnav.
As it is like 35.07, so it will count.
35.07. Yeah, it will count. Then it will shift the 7 to the hundreds place. So it will count. Okay. Okay, so question number 2 is clear, everyone. No doubts in question 2. Okay, good. Then let me go to my main chat. I have the next doubt as number 5. So Hanifa, help me in the 5th one quickly. What's the increasing order called?
Ma'am, increasing order is called
There is a name given to increasing order. Small to big.
ascending order.
So find out which option is ascending order.
Is it
Look, the more zeros you have before the number, the more smaller it becomes. Because
so
if I take the,
is it D?
not
Zero.
really, because this one is definitely smaller than this, but this one is not smaller than this because it has 2 zeros and it has 3 zeros. That means it is 6 by 10,000 and this is 8 by 1,000. So this one is bigger and this one is way smaller. So therefore option D is the wrong answer. Arnav, can
So
you
is
tell
it,
us the right answer?
ma'am?
Sorry, Hanifa. Sorry, no second chance. Say
Ma'am,
Arnav.
ma'am, the answer is C. 1. 0.
That's correct. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 zero, no zero. And that's how you can get the answer without even converting it into fractions. Everyone okay? Question number 5. Clear? Any doubts? Yes, Sadhna, ask.
Ma'am, what if they were numbers like 5 for the C1 5.387? So like then there are like more option like um uh 605 605 5298.
Where is the dot?
No, ma'am. After 60.
After 60. Then just compare it with the whole number, Sadhna. 5 is smaller than 60. Just compare
And
with
if
the
it
whole
was
number.
like in 6?
Yeah. Then also 5 and 6. Compare 5 and 6. 5 is smaller than 6.
Oh.
Okay. You have to, have you compared ever in, have you observed how the alphabets are written in a dictionary? Suppose if I say rain and if I say raining and if I say Samriddhi, I can see your annotations.
Miss, I'm not
Okay.
annotating. Ma'am,
No, that was by mistake maybe.
ma'am, rain will come first
That's right.
and then rainbow and then raining because of
Exactly.
the
Because
letter.
still rain is matching and then you get a bow. So B comes before I. So therefore, you give this as a second rank and give this as a third rank. Same happens for the numbers which are pretty similar, like 5.67, 5.378, and 5. Let's say 607. So here, what is happening? First, you check for 5. All of them are equal. You check for 5. All of them are equal. Then you check for the next one. Just like rain is equal for all of them. So you check for 6, 3, and 6. Which one is the smallest one? 3. So you're going to give this as rank 1. Then if you check the other numbers, you see 6 and 6 is common in all of them. So you'll have to check for the next number. So when you check for the next number, 7 and 0, you find out that 0 is smaller than 7. And therefore, this will get the second rank and this will get the third rank. Even if don't count the number of digits. Okay, 607 is not bigger than 67. We have to count the place value. Because what will happen? You remember padding, right? We are not comparing 607 with 67. 67 and 670 are the same thing if we do the padding. Right? That's why we compare it digit by digit, not by the number of, what do you say, count of the numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. I think the people who had a doubt meet in the middle of this got it or understood it by themselves, right? Good. Okay, then we go to question number 7. Question number 7. We'll start the 7th question with Aradhya. Aradhya, oh, you were not there in the class, right, Aradhya? Would you be able to do this? You're muted, Aradhya.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. No worries. Parth, can you just help?
Ma'am, in this one, 32.7 is 07 is bigger, and then we will do 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then 10 minus 6 is equal to 4.44. Then 11 minus 5 is equal to, ma'am, 6. And then, ma'am, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Ma'am, A is the answer.
Sorry, I think I lost connection. Yes, I wrote the answer as 16.44 as Parth said. So 7A is the right answer. 7A, any doubts, anyone? Okay. Fine. Number 8. Let's start this one with Jia. We will need 2-3 people for this question. So we will first understand the BODMAS rule. So Jia, you tell me the BODMAS rules. Tell me what should I do first, then second, then third.
Ma'am, first we should do multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction.
Done. Thank you, Jia. First part, we'll do multiplication. So Samriddhi Srivastav, can you help me multiply this?
Yes, ma'am. So 3, 6. As per the assumption method, we remove the decimals. So 4 fours are 16. 4
What
twos are
times
8. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 4 6 are 24. 4 down and 2 up. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Write a 0 or an x. 4 twos are 8. 2
Yeah,
twos
I'll
are
just
4
write a
plus
0 if you want. It's okay. Go ahead.
No, it was okay, ma'am. 2 twos
That's
are
okay.
2 fours are 8 plus 2 twos are 4 plus
2 times 2, 4 is done. 6 times 2,
12.
12. Carry 1.
2
3
threes are
times
6
2,
plus 7. 2 threes
6,
are 6 plus 1, 7.
7.
Yes. So it is 6, 17, 7 down and a carryover of 1, 9, 6, 8.
Done. So we get 86976. Samriddhi, tell me where to put the decimal point.
Ma'am, after 3 digit
1, 2, and 3. So after
from
3
the right.
digits from the right. Thank you. So 86.976. These are the 5 digits which we get as the answer, but our final answer will have 3 digits after the decimal. So 86.976. Is that okay? Okay. Then we'll go and continue with addition. Okay. So let's take the help of Manvik in addition. Manvik, 86.976 plus 6.3. Do we need padding, Manvik?
Yes, ma'am.
How many more zeros?
Ma'am, 1.
One
So,
only.
2. Ma'am, 2.
2. Okay. Go ahead, Manvik.
Ma'am, I'm solving it. Please give me 1 minute. Ma'am, 93.276.
6, 7, 12, 1, 13, 1, 93.276. That's what you said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Shivani, take it over from here. Subtract 3.1 from here.
Ma'am, the answer is 90.176.
Okay, so padding, you should say the steps, Shivani. 6 minus 0, 6,
Ma'am,
7. That's okay.
6, 7, 1,
0 and then
9. 9.
3.176. That's option A. Okay, fine. Once we are done with this, let's go to, okay, let's ask if there is any more doubt here. Number 8, any doubts left? Anyone? Someone's doubt was number 8. I think Manvik, your doubt only, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vedant, be ready to help me. Number 11. Okay, let's go
Yes,
to question number 11.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First, you read the question and tell me what do you understand by this? Like, what are we supposed to do? Add, subtract,
The
multiply?
cost of 100 grams of salt is 21 rupees. What is the cost of 10 grams salt? So here we have to divide by 10.
Divide by 10. That's correct. How did you directly know that we have to divide it by 10?
Yeah, because the question, the first part of the question is as the sample as 100 grams, but the actual question is asking what is that 10 grams. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, 100 divided by 10 is 10. So we have to divide it by 10 actually. So now the same thing we have to do in 21. 21 divided by 10 equals 2.1.
That's right.
So
The
the answer
easiest
is
way to
C.
do the question, thank you, Vedant. The easiest way to do the question was to do it in the form of ratios. That means if 100 becomes 10, so 21 will become 2.1 because both the numbers are getting divided. Equivalent fractions, yes, you can call it equivalent fractions. 100, okay, by 21 is equals to 10 by 2.1. It's like that. Both the numerator and the denominator are getting divided by 10. Thank you, Vedant. Any doubts? Say Anirudh. Say Anirudh. Oh, you're muted. You're talking on mute.
Sorry, ma'am.
No
Ma'am,
problem.
I did it in a different way. I did that if 100 grams equals 21, then 1 gram equals 21 by 100, and
Unitary method.
then
Yeah.
that's fine, ma'am.
Absolutely correct. That's the like OG method. That's the original method. You first find out the value of 1 gram and then basically see every kind of question has two ways to do it. Sometimes we can do it faster and sometimes we can do it by the actual method. So the method which Anirudh said is called as the unitary method, and that method is used, you don't have to rely on anything. Like here the shortcut was divide by 100 because it was a straight factor multiple relationship. 10 is a factor of 100, 100 is a multiple of 10. But imagine if they ask you what is the cost of 71 grams of salt. So since there's no direct relationship, we will go by unitary method only. We'll find out the cost of 1 gram and then multiply it with 71. Say Arnav.
And 100 was power of 10, na?
Yes, 10 to the power 2. Correct. Okay, question number 11 is done. No doubts in 11 now. Number 15. Number 15 is the next doubt. What is the quotient when 0.216 is divided by 0.0006? Okay. Both the numerator and denominator have the same number of decimal places. Say Bhumek.
I want to answer.
Okay, but no raising hand for answering questions. I'll come to you for after certain time because others are not getting a chance. So wait, Bhumek. No raising hand. Okay, let's do this. So firstly, if you people remember, I don't know if you remember this, but what happens when number of digits are after decimal? Vedant, you just got a chance. Mishika, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we want to, if we don't want the decimals, then we can multiply the numerator and the denominator both with 1000.
Okay, and what will that do?
Ma'am, then the numerator will be 216 and the denominator will be 6.
So basically what is happening is we can say that when the numerator and the denominator have the same number of zeros, or let's say the same number of digits after the decimal, then we can assume that they don't exist only, because when you multiply this with 1000, you're also multiplying this with 1000, which ultimately leads to whole number. Thank you, Mishika. Vedant, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, can we do it like this? Where we take both of the decimals, convert it into a decimal fraction, both of them convert into one whole
Yeah, and then
number,
get rid of the
and then,
thousand. Yes, yes.
yes ma'am.
You
And then
can do that.
convert all of them, same process, back to the decimals.
Back to the decimals. Yes. Say, Mishika.
So, ma'am, if the numerator, if supposingly the number was 0.216 divided by 0.06, then when I multiply the denominator with 100 and the numerator will with also 100, then is it possible, or I have to do denominator into 1000 and numerator into...
No, wait. What did you say? You said that you get 21. Wait a second. 21.6 divided by
6.
only 6. Yeah, so then why would you multiply with 100? Then you'll multiply with a 10. So you will again get the same numbers back, 216 by 6. If the number of digits after the decimal are same, Mishika, then you will always get back this number. Okay. Okay. Let's go. 216 by 6 is the final calculation. Bhumek, help me. 216 by 6.
It will get it will get 36.
Any decimal places or just 36?
Just 36.
That's right.
Correct answer
Very
is
good.
B.
Thank you. That's the correct answer. So everyone, just 36. Is it clear? Number 15. No doubts, right? Okay, good thing. Now let's go to the next question. So after this, yes, Manvik, ask.
Ma'am, why don't we put any decimal in the question?
Why are we not putting decimal back?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we just made the numerator and the denominator equals to whole numbers, no, Manvik? So now we are dividing a whole number here, that's why. Okay, let's go. Mishika, say.
So, ma'am, if the number would be 0.216 by 0.06, then also
No. Then here we have 3 digits and here we have 2 digits. So what will happen when you multiply this with 100 and this with 100? You will get the numerator with a digit left and the denominator as a whole number. So
yes,
now here you can use the assumption rule that imagine there is no decimal and you divide it and get 36. But then you suddenly remember that there was 1 digit after the decimal mark. So my answer should also have 1 digit after the decimal.
so, ma'am, there will be a difference.
Yeah, of course. The number of digits, if they are same, then it will stay same. If they are not same, then it is not working. Okay? Okay. Fine, then let's pass to number 17. Then we will go for a break, come back and do the remaining questions. Number 17. Okay. Let's read this question. What happened, Shivani?
Ma'am, you forgot to do 16.
16 was there in the doubt list. Oh. Oh yeah, it's written at the second end.
Last
Yeah,
before.
thank you. Yeah, I now got it. Okay, so let's start with Naman. Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
you know this is the tricky part of this question.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you prefer doing it? Converting all of them into decimals and then adding or what?
Ma'am, I think I will do 10 into 10 and the numerator of 7 will be 70.
Okay, so you want to do it as fractions. Then the denominator of 2 will be 1 then?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you don't want to change that? You want to keep it as it is?
Ma'am, I keep it as it is.
Okay, then convert 7, then you will make it 70. Now what?
Ma'am, 70 plus 9 is equal to 79. 79 plus 3 is equal to it is equal to 82.
So now this entire part becomes 82 by 100.
Ma'am, that is a decimal. 82 is the decimal.
0.82.
Ma'am, the 2 is the whole number, so it will come as 2.82.
That's option 8.
2.82.
Okay, so Naman has done it with the help of equivalent fractions, not equivalent fractions, I would say, sorry, like fractions by having the same denominator, right? Okay. Now, what if we convert each one of them step by step into decimals and then add them? So for that method, Manasvi, can you help me in that method? How can I write a 7 by 10?
In decimals?
Yeah, in decimals.
Okay. 0.7.
Okay. Vivek, how can I write 9 by 100 in decimals?
1.09.
09. Very good. Sanika, 3 by 100? Still not working? Oh my God. No worries, Sanika. It's okay. It's fine. Shrihan, can you tell me 3 by 100 in decimals? Shrihan,
Yes, ma'am.
3 by 100.
Ma'am, it's 0.03.
Thank you. Adya, what happened? Doubt? Adya? What happened? Yes, Adya, do you have a doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello.
I can hear you. Let me send her a message. I can hear you. She's stuck. No worries, Yash. Can you add up these numbers?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I leave the meeting because
Yes, yes. Oh, sure. Network on. Okay. Where is Yash?
Yeah.
Yash,
Yeah.
can you add up these numbers for me?
Okay.
See, I have already done the padding for you. Say Adya. You can leave the
Okay.
meeting. I heard it. Yes.
2. So 009.9 plus 3 is 12. So you 2 and add, carry on 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 2. So 2.82 is the answer A.
So this was the other method where you can convert the numbers into decimals first and then add them up. Is that fine? Okay. All right. Great job. Now let's go to number 17 or let's go for a break. Let's go for a break. We'll come back in 5 minutes and do the remaining 3 questions. Okay. See you in 5 minutes, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. So we have the next question as question number 17 as the doubt. In the 17th question, we will check for Janvi. Janvi, 109 and 673,000. How do we write this number?
109 and 673,000.
What is the whole number here?
109. So 109. The A will not be possible because it is 106, and yeah, including D too, because the whole numbers are like multiple numbers instead of. And B, out of B and C, 673,000. Ma'am, it would be C, ma'am, because thousands means not literally thousand, but three zeros. That three zeros, yeah.
So that means when you divide it by 1000, you get the decimal value as 0.673. And when we add these two numbers, we get this as our answer.
6. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Any doubts, anyone? Number 17? Whose doubt was this? Did you understand? Do I need to explain this? Okay. Fine then. Let's go. Number 18. Devashri, how did you do the 18th question?
I added all three numbers together.
Thank you. Okay, can you just quickly eliminate one of the options from here? Just one option.
So should I say which one is not going to be the answer?
Yes. A very evident one for which you don't have to calculate.
D.
Okay. And what's the reason for that?
Because the second number has 5 digits before the decimal.
Thank you. That's right. So that's what I wanted you people to pay attention at. Thank you, Devashri. Next, we'll go to Jia. Jia, there? Okay. Yes, she is there.
Yes,
Jia,
ma'am.
let's add this. Come on, quickly. So
Okay.
this is 1, this is 3,701.53, and this is 471.50. So when we add these numbers, what do we get?
We get 4,
4,
6 plus 5, 1 carry over, 4,
7,
7, 14, 18, 8,
carry 1, 4,
3.
34874.14. Option B. Thank you, Jia. Everyone okay? Option B, number 18. Advika, ready? We'll do the next question with you. After 18, my next doubt is number 17. Oh, sorry. After 18, number 20. So, Advika, number 20. Which of the following options is the greatest?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Is there a shortcut which you will use, or you will try all the options?
I don't know, miss.
All the options? Then you just tell me the value of option A, Advika. I can ask other students about the other options. Just help me with option A.
Yes, ma'am. Option A. Ma'am, so you read 45, 4,573 multiplied by 75. And then 5 times 3 is 15, 1 carry over, 7 times 7 is 49, 50.
How do you get 7 times 7?
Oh, sorry. 5 times 7 is 30, 5 plus 1, 36. So 3 carry over. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. So 8 and 2 carry over. 5 times 4 is 20 and 22. So 22. And
7 times 3.
7 times 3 is 21. So you put 1 and carry over 2. 7 times 7 is 49, and then 49 plus 2 is 51. So 1 and carry 5. 7 times 5 is 35, and 35 plus 5 is 40. So 4 carry over. And 7 times 4 is 28. So 28 plus 4 is 32. And when you
Get
add
it.
all of that, you get
Say.
ma'am 4 and 3.
Then what digit should I put? How many digits after the decimal?
4.
Right here. So my first one's answer is 34.2975. Right? Anirudh, second one's answer, option B.
Ma'am, ma'am, option B 90.12 divided by 0.2. So we have to do 90.12 by 0.2 and into 100, which is equal to 9012 by 20. And then when you start cutting by 2, it will 9012 will be 4506 and 20 will be 10.
Top it right away and it will give you 450.6. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So we can straight away see that option A is not going to be the answer. Right, everyone? No answer? Okay, let's go to Tanisha. Tanisha, I gave you a chance.
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Say. Samriti Srivastav, say what happened.
Miss, I have a doubt that why did you write 4.450.6? Why did you put the decimal point after 6? Before 6, I mean.
Because only 1 0 after 1. So 1 digit after the decimal.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Tanisha, addition. Oh, one more hand is raised. Who is this? Jia.
Ma'am, why did you multiply it with 100?
He asked me to multiply. I multiplied. You can also multiply it with a 10. If you multiply it with a 10, then the denominator will be 2 and the numerator will be 901.2. So then you can use the assumption method that there is no decimal. You divide, you get 4506 and then you put a digit, one digit after the decimal. Same answer, no difference. Okay, Tanisha, option C, 35.75 and 12.05. What do you get when you add it?
Ma'am, I will get 47.80.
47.8. Of course, smaller than option B. And we can guess it very well without even calculating the third part, I mean last part, but I would still give it to someone. So probably I'll go to Nanika. Nanika, no camera, so I'm not going to Nanika. Cameramans, where are the cameramen? Sadhna, I have given you a chance. Sanya, I have not given you a chance.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 89.79, ma'am.
90.15 minus 0.36.
Ma'am, 5 minus 6 is not.
Yeah, so I'm borrowing it. Go ahead. 15 minus 6?
9, ma'am.
Then
10
7?
minus 3, 7. Decimal
9
point,
and
9,
89.
and then 8.
Thank you. 89.79. So, of course, the visible answer is option B. Now, let us estimate. Let us learn the methods of estimation. Okay. So, Ibrahim, now I see you in camera. So, Ibrahim, by the rules of estimation, you guys just learn this thing, okay? I mean, I'm just estimating it with you people. 45 multiplied with something which is less than 1. I repeat. 45 multiplied with something which is less than 1 Will the answer be more than 45 or less than 45, Abraham?
Ma'am, it would be less.
Because I'm multiplying it with a number less than 1. See, 45 times 1 is 45. 45 times 2 is 90, greater than that. But 45 times half is half of 45 and half is 0.5. That means when you pull any number less than 1, the answer will also be less than 45. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct, Ibrahim? Thank you. So this is common sense, everyone, all of you. If I am multiplying a number anytime with a decimal value which is less than 1, then the answer will be less than the first value. Say, Naman. Your hand is raised, Naman. Nothing?
Ma'am, why did we estimate, ma'am?
Arey, I'm telling you the shorter way of doing it, faster.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Who's else? Sadhna, say.
Ma'am, in like what? So in the second one, so like 90.12 divided by 0.2. Ma'am, why was it like greater than 90?
I told you about this rule also when you were dividing 24 by 12. Remember, 24 by 12 is 2, but 24 by 6 is 4. Why so? Because the denominator is decreasing. That means you're dividing the same thing in lesser part. So if you're dividing it in lesser part, then each person is getting a bigger part compared to what he will get when there will be 12 guests. Yes or no, Sadhna?
Yes,
So
I
if the denominator is going smaller and smaller, then the value of the quotient which I'll be getting will become bigger. So the same theory as I used, same estimation theory as I used in the first part. You know that 90 divided by 1 is 90. So 90 divided by any number which is less than 1 will be more than 90 because the denominator is decreasing. Right, Sadhna?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. It is understood, right, Sadhna? Jia, say.
Ma'am, why isn't the answer C?
Answer is not C because 35 plus 12 is only 47 and this is 450. So we need greatest.
So whichever numbers are more, the whole number is the greatest. The number is the great.
Yeah, there is no distinction between like whole number or decimal number. They are not comparing with decimal numbers separately, Jia. Whole numbers are whole numbers only. I mean, decimal numbers including whole numbers are counted together. Like 5.7 is greater than 2.87654321. Why? No matter how many digits are there after the decimal, you compare the whole number. So you take whole number means the entire number. So there you have to count it with the whole numbers only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? No? Okay. So here you estimate automatically that if you are dividing 90 by 0.2, then the answer will surely be more than 90. Surely be more than 90. I'm not even asking you to count it. Listen to me carefully. This one is going to be less than 45. This one is going to be more than 90. This one is going to be approximately 47 if I just add the whole numbers and I don't add anything else. And this one is going to be approximately 89 point something because 90 minus 0 point something, 0 0.15. If it would have been 0.15, then you know it's exactly 90. But it is less, more than that you are subtracting. So you are getting 89. So your answer is clearly visible from here, from the approximation rule. Did you understand this? Everyone? Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
All right. Let's go then. So we have basically completed the decimals test discussion. That's a good news. That means we are heading towards the new chapter. We are not starting the new chapter yet, but any guesses what will we be doing?
Geometry?
Yeah, geometry.
Geometry.
Percentage.
Very Mishika, that's fine. Percentage will come later.
Ma'am, time and money.
Oh yeah, we also have time and money pending with us, right? Time and money. After temperature, yeah. So before geometry, we do time and money. No, first we'll do time and money, then we'll go to geometry. Time and money is a single day chapter. One small thing. We will even start it today a little bit. Okay. We'll start time and money a little bit today, and then no need to do the homework, but yeah, just a little bit of intro.
Give us question also.
Sorry, Bhumik, say that again.
Give us questions. So many.
Okay. Say Jia.
Ma'am, will we have a game today?
Yes, we will. Ibrahim, say.
Ma'am, which game?
Bhumik, now you have crossed the limits which I allow for speaking without raising hands. Say Ibrahim.
Data handling.
Data handling comes a little later.
Okay.
We will have time and money, okay? Say Mishika.
Ma'am, will there be game today?
Yeah, Jia just now asked. Say Rianchi.
Ma'am, I told you last class that I didn't got a chance, and today also I didn't got a chance.
Oh my God, Rianchi will do the first question of time and money today. Booked for Rianchi. Done, Rianchi? Thank you. Sorry, I missed you. Say Nanika, no madam. I called you already. If you are about to say this, that you did not get a chance.
Like I was about to say, Simon one is about like the easiest chapter.
Okay. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, Battle Royale.
No, Arnav. I don't think that will be possible today. But we have a more fun game. By the way, what did we play last class?
Ma'am,
Knockback, right?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let's have either a crypto hack or a gold quest today. It's long time we have not played that. We'll have a voting. No unmuting. No unmuting. No unmuting. Games after the class is done. Say Advika.
Ma'am, can we have crypto hack?
No, I'm not talking about games now.
Come on.
You guys don't hear me? I said no talking about games right now, and we will have a voting. So how does your saying matter? So we will have a voting. Those who have a maximum votes, they will win. And Reanshi, be ready. We're going to start with the first question of the day with you. Actually, the easiest, where we have to convert how many seconds are there in a minute, how many minutes are there in an hour, and how many hours are there in a day. So let's start with Reanshi. Reanshi, let's go.
Ma'am, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds.
That's right.
1 hour is equals to 60 minutes.
Correct.
And 1 day is equals to 24 hours.
That's right. But I'll not leave you with only this much. Now I'll give you a question. So my question is going to be a bit based on division, okay? So we'll have a question based on division. Let me think. Yeah. So imagine I have 144 hours left for a particular project. Then can you tell me how many days are left for that project? Rianshi will do this and tell others in the chat box. Yeah, Rianshi, say.
Ma'am, we have to divide it by 7. And 144 divided by we need to do 144 divided by 7.
No. See, look at the relationship between days and hours.
24. We have to divide it by 24, right?
Correct. Now divide it.
Wait a minute.
Thank you, others in the chat. Manvik, why is your camera off? Samriti Singh also camera off. Camera
Ma'am, I
off.
was eating and my father had came, so I had to keep it.
Yes.
No, my camera
Rianshi.
is not working.
Okay, Samriddhi. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 6.
That's right. The answer is 6. That means 6 days is equals to 144 hours. Right, everyone? This is easy. Okay, have I missed anyone else? today? Yes? No. Yes. Aradhya, yes, I asked you a question, but then that was a decimal question. You were not aware of it. Sadhna, I remember. Bhumik, I gave you a chance. Tanisha, I gave you a chance. Arnab, I have missed you. Yes. Yeah, Tanisha.
Ma'am, my chat is a new. It's
Yeah, it's
something new.
new. You have to click on that new button, the new chat button, the blue color icon, and then click on my name. Then click on enter
Okay.
message. Okay, so we'll start with you, Aradhya. Okay. Aradhya, I want you to add the time given on the screen.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
seconds column, minutes column, and hours column separately.
Ma'am, first we will add 30 by 50, 30 plus 55 second, 5 and 8, so 22 carry over.
What do you mean 2 carry over?
I mean 20 seconds carry over by minutes.
Okay, so we will.
No, sorry, ma'am, 1 minute carry over.
1 minute
60
is carry
seconds.
over. Okay, so I'll subtract 60 and write a 25 and put this 60 over here as 1 minute. Correct. Next.
So 61 minutes. So it
61.
will be 1 minute and 1 hour will be.
1 hour will be carry over. Okay.
Then it would be 5 hours.
That's right. 5 hours, 1 minute and 25 seconds. Thank you, Aradhya. Any doubts, anyone? Sadhna, you're raising hand for answer, right? So, yeah, I'll give you the next one. Say, Naman.
Ma'am, why did we put one in minutes and hours?
Yeah, so you never write the time in as like 85 seconds. If your seconds are exceeding 60 seconds, then you have to take that extra 60 and transfer it to the left hand side column. So if it's a second column, you will transfer it to minutes. If it's a minute column, you will transfer it to hours. It's like that, but nothing after hours. Hours has no carryover going anywhere.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do subtraction, everyone. So Sadhna, can you help me in the subtraction? Yeah, 1 second, Sadhna. So sorry. Parth has a question. Say, Parth.
Madam, can't we carry over hours to days if the question has days as well?
If the question is days, generally it's not like that. If it is present, then yes. Anything present on the left can be shifted. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, the second one, right?
This is subtraction. Careful.
So, ma'am, should I do 55 minus 30?
You have to start borrowing.
So 0 will become 10 and 3 will become 2.
No. So that's the interesting part. Let me explain it a bit, Sadhna, then you can continue. So look, everyone, this is a funny story, okay? Pay attention. So the thing is that seconds is having 25 seconds less. Had it got 25 seconds more, it would have been too easy and then you could have subtracted it. So what happens is that what do you call? Seconds. Second goes to the minutes and says, can you please give me 25 seconds? I'm just like less by 25 seconds. So the minute says like, look, seconds. I don't deal in seconds and all, okay? If you really want to take something from me, you're free to take, but I will be giving you only 1 minute. Not less than that, not more than that. So seconds was like, okay, you can help me with that. So that's how when you borrow from the minutes column, all they do is give you 60 seconds. That is 1 minute from themselves. Okay. But in this case, that's not the case. When the moment second goes to minutes, minutes is like, oh my God, look at my condition. I'm already 10 less than the number below me. How can I help you? I have to also take a loan. So what does the minute hand do? Minute hand also takes a loan from the hour. And hours is also showing the same attitude which minutes showed to seconds. minutes, hours be like, look, minutes. I don't really care if you're 10 minutes less or you're 20 minutes less. If you want to take something from me, you have to take 1 hour. That's the minimum transaction. So minute agrees, and that's how R cuts 1 from itself, makes itself 0.2, 2 hours, and transfers this 1 hour into minutes. And that's how 60 plus 20 now becomes 80 minutes. So now your question is 0 to 80 and 30 minus 0, 1, 30 and 55. Now, minutes is in a position to give you 1 minute now. U means seconds. So, minute will do the same thing. Minute will become 79 and will give you 60 more. Will give seconds 60 more. Now, this will together become how much? 90. Right, 90. So, 90 minus 55. Let's do 90 minus 55. How much do we get, Sadhna? 90 minus 55?
Ma'am, we borrowed 10 and then 9 becomes 8. So 10 minus 5 equals to 5 and 8 minus 5, 3. 35.
35. That's correct. So we get 35 seconds in the seconds column. Arnav, 79 minus 30.
79 minus 30. Ma'am, 49.
So 49 minutes and hours is easy. So I will do it. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 hour, 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Did you understand the entire borrowing game here? When you borrow, the hour can only give 60 minutes to the minutes. That is 1 hour, not less than that. Similarly, the minute can also give a minimum of 1 minute to the other side, that is seconds. So that is equivalent to 60 seconds. Clear? Yep. Okay, good job. Then in that case, let's have a voting quickly. Voting, first voting for, yes, Anipa, ask.
Ma'am, you told for the seconds we will borrow, right? So first from minutes we will borrow first. So like hours will
Yeah,
give
we
to
will
minutes
borrow
first.
minutes. Yeah, we will borrow from minutes first, but the minutes is already less, right? So therefore, we
Yeah.
have to start from hours. So that minutes has enough. If you don't have enough, how will you give it to your friend? So you need to have more than enough. Then you can donate to others.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Say, Advika.
Yes, I'm just saying beforehand that I'm fine with both, so I'll just keep my
Hand raised. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, which game like should we raise our hands for?
I have not started yet. I'm saying that. So the first one is crypto hack. First one is crypto hack, and the people who are okay with both the games, crypto hack and gold quest, can keep their hand raised up. Oh my god, 17, 18, 19. Oh my god. Okay, 19 hands raised up. Now it's 18. Okay, 19 hands. So 19 is what I count for crypto hack. Now the second vote is for gold quest. Oh my god, 21. 22. Okay, gold quest is more famous here. So let's have a gold quest quickly. And just a reminder, there's technically no homework for you people. Okay, so we'll meet back directly on Friday and then complete time and work. And then I'll give you the test as well as the exercise both. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
excuse me, ma'am.
yeah, Jia.
Ma'am, what dates you were not available? Can you tell the dates again?
Yes. I'll just tell the date. Give me 1 minute, Jia. I'll just load the game and ask everyone to join. And meanwhile, everyone is joining, I'll say that so that we
Ma'am.
save.
Why everyone is joining? Yeah, I'm alright. Oh,
Advika, we can hear you. Okay, fine. So, sorry, Arnab, go ahead.
Ma'am, can you send in the group? What's
I'm sent. What? What?
the dates?
Oh, yeah, I have already told them to send you the dates. I'm not sure if they've already shared with you or not. I have told them.
Ma'am, you will give us decimals?
No,
Or
Baba,
type?
addition. Addition word problems, but very easy ones. Very, very easy. Like extremely easy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, they have not sent the dates. I didn't
Oh
get.
my. Okay, then I'll say the dates are. Just a minute. Let me give you the link so that it will take 1 minute for you people to join. Check the main chat, everyone. Check the main chat. It will be as a 1 there.
Ma'am,
Go to
are
the
you
main chat.
playing?
I'll join. Okay, yeah. So the dates. Wait. You people join with your first name so that I can recognize you. And then I'll tell you the dates also. You people are a Monday, Wednesday, Friday batch, right? So Monday and Wednesday. 1st of July and 3rd of July.
Ma'am?
I was about to write my name as Winter Chicken. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, can I please commentate?
No, Vedant. No. You cannot because you cannot see anything. It's just like the marks are going up and down. And I can't share my screen because I am also playing.
Ma'am, can I also host? Then can I host the game instead?
No, Vedant. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Shivani, say.
ma'am, you send the blue kit for crypto hack, not gold quest.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, guys.
With crypto hack.
No.
It's
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes,
It
yes,
was
yes, yes,
voting.
yes.
Vedant, I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
tell you. 1 second, guys. No. We
Ma'am, why is it
decided
like,
upon that, so we will do that.
why is
The
it written?
link is invalid, guys. Don't join it now. I'm sending a new link. 1 second. Sorry, that was crypto hack. Thank you for telling me beforehand. My God, that's big numbers. Where did your good one go? Yeah, this is okay. Sorry, I clicked on crypto hack. I was talking at that time. I clicked on the wrong one. Okay, I'll send a new link. Check the chat again, okay? 1 second. Book now. Copy link. New link in the chat. It starts with 3161582, the code. And you guys can lower your hands. Manasvi, you want to say something? Okay, then you guys can lower your hand. Devashri Samriddhi saying you can lower your hand. Okay, join fast and I'll just tell you I have not joined myself.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, should I keep my nickname? Ma'am,
Yeah,
because
Sammy.
me and Sanjay.
Yeah. Sammy will work. "24 people are in, 25. Join fast, please. And yeah, the dates. So the dates are 1st July and not 1st July, 30th of June, Monday, and 2nd of July. I'll write it in the chat box. 30th of June and 2nd July. That's Monday and Wednesday. Okay. These 2 dates. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Manasvi, you want to say something? No? All right. Everyone is in? I hope so. I'm starting. All the best. These are easy questions. Oh my God. First shot and I swapped. Wow. This is lucky. Devashri. Oh, wait. Oh my God.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the question there was that 7 teddy bears went in a cave and then
No. The answer is right. It should be 0. There are 2 types of question. How many bears are there? Then the answer is 7. And how many did enter? Then the answer is 0. So in the hurry, I have also read that wrong. There are 2 versions of the question, Mishika. Check that. It's okay. Don't waste time in complaining in the middle. Otherwise, you will lose out on the opportunity. You can say it at the end. Thanks, Anirudh. Hanifa. Miss Samriddhi. Oh my God. Both the Samriddhis are taking money from me at the same time. Jia, Disha, both are playing together. Two minds, huh? Naman. Yeah, there's a problem in that 7 and cave one. One time it is giving right answer, one time it's giving wrong answer. Okay, Ned, no problem. We'll not consider the Bhumik. We'll not consider the accuracy. There is one wrong question here. That cave question is wrong. So be careful of that. Sometimes the answer is 7, sometimes the answer is 0, and I'm literally not able to figure out when is the answer 7 and when is the answer 0.
And just when I told you, after that only the same question, but the another version I got wrong.
Yes, yes. Same happened with me. I've got that 4 times. Okay, everyone. Looks like we have few minutes left, a few seconds left. 20 seconds precisely. Ooh. Thank you. Four, 10, 10. Oh my God, Advika, last minute swap. Advika, what was that? Your swap pushed me to the 8th place. Congratulations, everyone. Ibrahim, Advika, and Yash. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. And yeah, no check on accuracy because of that one question on the caves one, that 7 and 0 answer. Most of you must
Ma'am,
have
when
got
you told
wrong.
it was 7 and 0, the
Yeah,
first
yeah.
time because I attempted 0, but
I
always
know,
it was
I know.
came 7.
We were discussing that. Anyhow, I don't know how, but Bhume got 100% accuracy. In wrong questions also. How did you get 100% accuracy in wrong questions? You're the only one who got it right. Say, Advika, fast.
I'm god of this game.
Yeah, I see this. Say, Aradhya.
I had Manasvi, you, and Vedant
Ma'am,
and other
I
person.
Yeah,
had the
Bhume.
opportunity to swap at the last moment, but I couldn't
Game ended.
because it was.
Oh. Say, Advika.
Miss, thank you for the swap.
Devashri, say.
I also wanted to say that I stole the gold from you, and in the last minute, everyone, all the time, people were swapping gold at me, so I couldn't answer any questions.
Oh. Say, Aditi.
Ma'am, I got the swap option in the last moment and I almost clicked on Ibrahim, but the game ended.
Oh, he was coming first. Samriddhi. So, Ibrahim, you got saved, man.
Ma'am, I swapped you 2 times, but still I am one step lower than you.
Oh. Say, Arnab.
What 7 to 8 times?
Oh my God. Samriddhi Singh.
Mom, I made an app. Could I send the link?
Yeah, send me.
Ma'am, but the chat is disabled in the main.
Not really, but it's okay. I'm opening it for everyone. Now try. Say, Bhume.
Did you know Manasvi was taking my money?
Yes, I know. Say, Sanya.
Ma'am, I was sure that I was going to get any of like first, second, or third, but in the last moment I got 50% like
Oh, lose
losing.
50%. Yeah. Janvi.
Like last 3 to 4 chance, fully I was getting 50% like that.
Yeah. Sanish, say. Sorry, Janvi, say.
Ma'am, I have 2 things to share. I'll make this quick. Now I'm obsessed with the word gnarly, and then yeah,
What?
how the gnarly? They like some people say gnarly for good, bad, and good. Like then like I don't know how I got 4.3 million gold, but I got 14th place.
Oh, wow. Shivani, say.
Ma'am, I swapped gold from you 2 times.
I know. Say, Jia. Jia and Disha, both of you. Say.
Haven't that I once thank you for the gold, and the second part, Disha was telling me to that choose this box 1, 2, 3. I was continuously asking us 1,
Oh, nice.
3. So she was only telling me.
Wow, perfect. Say, Pat.
Ma'am, I stole gold from you 3 to 5 times.
Tanisha, say.
Ma'am, I have gotten in millions of gold, but sometimes I lose 50, sometimes I lose
Oh,
25,
yeah, that is always a part of it.
and I stolen money from Ibrahim, Sanika, and Aditi.
Wow, you remember them? Ibrahim, say. Bhumik, you've already had a chat with me, so we are already running very, very late.
Ma'am, I also swapped 5 to 6 times from you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I can see why you're first. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, and she told that she swapped from me. Then I did not got a chance. I had a chance to swap from her, but the
No,
game.
of course, why would you swap from her? Anyone who is at the first place, you will swap from them only. Say,
Yeah.
Sadhna, fast, fast.
Ma'am, even I can play Brooklyn now. But ma'am, crypto hack doesn't come in that. Even gold gets only tower defense.
Oh, you are in
cafe,
solo mode. That's why you are in solo mode. So for playing these games, you have to host it and then play it. So for that, you need at least 2 people. No, that's why. Say, Arnav.
Ma'am, how to drop cakes?
You have to write happy birthday. Then it will drop cakes. Okay, fine, everyone. Bye-bye. No homework. Okay, we'll meet back on Friday. Complete the time and money chapter and then do the homework. Okay? Bye-bye. Hey, last question. How was the class?
It was amazing.
Class was amazing.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. The class was amazing.
Thank you,
Ma'am, the
guys.
class
Thank you,
is
everyone.
excellent.
Samriddhi, thank you. Your website is also excellent. I just checked it out and I will check it out after the video. I mean, class also. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.